Here are 7 trading rules you need to master and never work again. Hey guys, my name is Basil, and in today's episode, guys, I'm going to be explaining to you the 7 trading rules that I mastered over the time I've been in the forex market, and you don't need to ever work again when you master this. So guys, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video. Let's get started. So guys, before even we get into the 7 rules, the first thing we need to look at the word master. The keyword here is master. For you to master anything, guys, this is going to take you a period of time because it's all about consistency, practicing. So whatever rule that I'm going to tell you, it's going to take you some time to master. But eventually when you master it, it becomes part of you, guys. So the first thing, psychology. Over the period of time when you're trading in the forex market, most of the guys get caught up looking at the wrong things, looking at price action strategies, jumping from ICT to price action, jumping from one concept to another, and still they're not profitable. And the reason for this is because they have bad psychology. Anyone can analyze a chart here and know that when price comes back here, it's going to fall. But do you have the emotional control? Do you have the emotional discipline to let your trade ride? Are you someone who lets your trade hit the take profit? Are you someone who closes off your trade when it's not going the right way? So you need to really learn the psychology aspects around trading. Psychology is something that has to be personal. You need to improve your psychology, guys. If you master psychology, emotional control, emotional discipline, when you improve them, your trading is going to become better, guys. Rule number 2. Guys, you need to backtest your markets often. If you don't know what backtesting means, backtesting is the method of testing your strategy against historical data so that you can see if your strategy works or it doesn't work. So that is backtesting. This is an activity that you need to do. You need to backtest it often so that you can see, does my strategy that really work? What are some of the days that will be backtested? Saturday, Sunday. Right now it is Saturday. Everyone is out partying. So you as a trader, if you want to never work again, you need to be backtesting. Some of the softwares you can use to backtest your market, you can use TradingView. TradingView, there is a replay button. As long as you have a premium account, you can always replay your data and see how has been the markets moving. So according to your strategy. So if you can apply your strategy to the markets and then see how it played out, then probably you may apply your strategy on live markets when markets open again. Backtesting has to be something that you often do so that you can never ever work again. Rule number 3, guys, you need to be a good loser. You need to fail to win. So most of the cases when I see traders come into the forex market, like even me when I first started into the forex market, I was always looking for perfection. Traders in the forex market, there's nothing like perfection. That's why you will never see someone having a 100% winning strategy. There is nothing like that. You create a strategy and that strategy is, make you losses, but one thing, always make sure that it's making you losses, but minimize your losses. You can have so many losses, but let them be very small. The time when you win, you will hit big numbers, guys. So for those that are always looking for perfection, you're looking for that strategy that has a 100% winning rate. It's never there. It will never exist, guys, unless when you're the banks. But if you're a retail trader, guys, you need to be a good loser. You need to let yourself make mistakes because it's from the mistakes that we learn. I used to be someone who used to get caught up by fake outs, but guess what? I learned how to trade fake outs. Now I make money from the fake outs. It was once a mistake that I used to do, but now I'm making money from it. So you need to let yourself do mistakes because it's from mistakes that you're going to learn how to win. Number 4, guys, you need to create a good trading system. So for those that don't know what a good trading system is, this is what a trading system is. So it has to be a system that contains your days that you're trading, your strategy. Are you a price action trader? If you're a price action trader, what do you look for in the forex market? Are you a day trader, a swing trader? If you're a day trader, what time frames are you trading on? What confirmations do you have? You need to have a trading system. Make sure that you follow this trading system. So if you don't have one, you need to create one, because if you want to leave the 9 to 5, if you don't want to ever work again, guys, you need to have a system. Most of you guys know me. When I came from the university, straight, I came back to Uganda. I've never worked. All I'm doing is forex. So I created my trading system, and this is the system that I'm following. This system is making me money. So if you want to never work again, you need to have a trading system. If your trading system fails, just improve it. Just improve your trading system. But don't make a mistake of trading in forex market without a system. You'll be a blind man. Yeah, guys. So you need to have a trading system that tells you what stop loss, your take profits, all these things that we need to follow in forex market, so that you don't be a blind man. The news that we follow, things that you as a trader need to be looking out for the market, they have to be in your trading system, guys. If you don't have a trading system, it's high chance you have one. So that if you don't want to work again, you need to have one by force. Rule number 5, guys. You need to have a mentor. You need a mentor. So I'll tell you one thing. When you come to the forex market, first of all, you're going to first limit on yourself most of the resources. You don't want to pay for a mentor because you're trying to minimize all the money. But if I was to go back 4 years back, I wish the one thing I would do is first get a mentor. When you get a mentor, guys, a mentor is going to solve the biggest percentage of problems that you're going to face when you're just alone. So a mentor will tell you like the right things that you have to do and the things that you shouldn't do. And then he will also tell you things that they have done so that you don't do the same mistakes. So that is going to speed up the process of you learning how to trade in the forex market. But if you decide to do a self-learning process, where you're learning by yourself, obviously you learn how to trade, but it's going to take you a longer period of time, you know. I have mentored students. 1 year they're already trading and making money in the forex market. But for me, it took me 4 years, 4 good years trading. 2 years I wasn't profitable until my 3rd year. That's when I started seeing money because I didn't have a mentor. But if I had a mentor, in under 1 year I would already be making money. So guys, you need to find yourself a mentor. That is a rule that you have to take care of. You need to find a mentor. Rule number 6, never break your trading rules. So never break your trading rules. So most of the time when you come to the forex market, you set out your own rules. I'm only going to be trading one currency pair. I'm only going to be looking out for this. So you need to stick by these rules. You know, you need to stick by the rules. I'm going to give you a good example. So I remember in 2021, I was really struggling with scalping. And I was always scalping under whenever we have high volatile news in the markets. But guess what, guys? I always lost money. I lost a lot of money until I learned that I should not trade news. So that became a rule that I always follow. That's why you never see me trading high volatile news. Every time when these news pop up, I'm either in the gym or I'm doing something else, but I'm not looking at the markets because that costed me a lot of money, guys. So that is a rule that I always follow. I have so many other rules that I follow, but that is like the good example that I would be giving you. So if you have any trading rules, make sure to follow them. If you're someone who said that I'm not going to do this, don't do it. Because the time when you break your rule, that's the time when you lose too much money in the trading market, guys. So make sure to always follow your rules and you'll be on the safe side. Lastly, rule number 7, guys, make sure to improve. Think of never working for anyone. If you think of never doing a 9 to 5, you need to be someone who's constantly improving. You need to be learning every single day. That's why, you guys, you never see me in parties. The only time I've been in parties when these brokers, the forex brokers are here in the country, and maybe they invite me for something. I always go, but I haven't been there for quite a long time. You know, because again, I told you, this brain is the one that makes the money. It has to be upgraded every time. Because remember, we're competing against the banks. These banks never sleep.
You don't know what is going on. We are making money, you are sleeping. You don't know what is going on, eh?
They never sleep. Why would you as a person sleep when these banks don't sleep? They're always upgrading their system on how they can take your money. They're not going to take my money. That's why every time I need to be improving. I need to be, you know, relearning things. The times when I take weeks of just relearning, you know, improving on what I already have, guys. Because remember, money lessons never end. It's not like the education that you had in school, where you study something, then boom, you're done with it, then, you know, jump on to the next. No, guys, money lessons never end. So, guys, if you can only master these 7 trading rules, you will never have to work again. Because, again, psychology, having a mentor, you know, all these things are going to help you speeding up your process of becoming a profitable trader, and the rest will be history, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to comment for me the video that you want me to do next, and make sure to subscribe. You know, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out whenever I post a video, guys. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes, and I'll see you in my next. Peace.